What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and I'm sending a happy and healthy new year to you and yours. Finally, it is here, guys, 2022. I can't believe it. Shout out to all the Capricorns, because you know I'm a Capricorn. It's my birthday as well. So I don't know if you guys know, I've been dropping videos on YouTube for 3 years and consistent for 2 years, guys. For this year, I'm gonna bring you guys some more vlogging. All right, I'm gonna take you guys shopping. I wanna go to the supermarket, show you guys what I buy, how I buy, and how to look for items that are vegan. There's always some tricks and there's always some wordings we have to be careful for and understand and know what we're putting into our body. I am 100% mock meat free, guys. I don't use the Beyond Meat, the Impossible meats, or any other meats anymore. And I know that you guys noticed that and have been asking me about that. I just feel like it's best to just make my own meat from mushrooms, banana blossoms, walnuts, pecans, anything I could get my hands on that's not an alternative meat that was made in a lab. I just don't want it anymore. I don't want it in my body. All my new recipes for 2022 will be mock meat free. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging, take you on the road, take you everywhere, even do some workouts with you guys. I want to do so much in this year for you guys because now I have such a big audience. All right, guys, so check out this full video. Please watch it to the end, hit the like button and subscribe. And remember, my videos will be dropping each and every Saturday at 8 p.m. All right, guys, I will see you guys soon. I love you all. Peace and Happy New Year. I got some of this mushrooms. I got me some pumfu, some onions chopped up. I got some rice already being made. You know what I'm saying? So that's about to be nicely done right now. So let's see what I'm gonna do with this pumfu. Y'all know I'm addicted to this crap. So let's see what we're gonna do. So I got my seasoning here. You can get this anywhere, guys. Longhorn Steakhouse is so basically the trick to making pumfu taste like what you want it is using beef seasoning, you know, so you gotta always check your nutritional facts. All right, so this has 180 milligrams of sodium for 1/4 teaspoon. All right, so make sure it's vegan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add about a teaspoon of that in there because it's using a teaspoon to give it extra flavor. And then I got my real steak seasoning. All right, so this is less on salt. All right, it's Caribbean seasoning is real good, guys. I never really show you guys what I use, but sometimes I make my seasoning from scratch, but sometimes I don't. So I'm gonna just add that in there real quick. Add in about a teaspoon also. All right, this is to give it that beef flavor, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna also add some smoked paprika into the mix. You know what I'm saying? About a half a teaspoon of that. And I'm gonna be using butter beans. All right, this is all organic. It got that BP free. And this has no salt, guys. No salt added. You can't be using all that salt, you know, putting all of this sodium, and then you're gonna put this and it has like 500 milligrams of sodium, you feel me? Alright, so, and I already got some bay leaves. I got some thyme. And I also got some Jamaican Grace browning. This is to give it that color so it looks like actual beef, alright? Alright, so we got that pumfu in there. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. Add about a teaspoon. Mix that up real quick. This is so that the seasoning could adhere correctly and it's nice and flavorful, alright? So now we're gonna add our seasoning that we had. fluffy my rice is, guys, the best fluffy rice is to wash your rice and let it sit for a good 10 minutes, alright? I know I'm a big fan of the air fryer, so I'm gonna get a piece of foil, put that right there. I'm gonna put the Pumfu right on there. The reason I'm doing this is because we want the Pumfu to get real hard. So when we throw that joint in a pot, it's gonna be like real beef or something, you know what I'm saying? Alright, family. 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. I gotta add that garlic. Alright, family, see how nice and hard it is? Definitely add some coconut aminos. Definitely add some more of the steak seasoning, about half a teaspoon. Some garlic powder. And some black pepper. Definitely gotta add some pimento. Some of this cumin from Trader Joe's. Liquid.